RCB women have done it again, and this victory is special on many levels. Despite personal turmoil involving Palash Munchal, Smriti Mandhana continues to excel in her professional career, leading Royal Challengers Bengaluru women to another historic triumph. On Thursday, RCB defeated Delhi Capitals by 6 wickets in a thrilling final to lift the 2026 Women's Premier League title. With this win, RCB became only the second team after Mumbai Indians to win the WPL trophy twice. They had earlier lifted their maiden title back in 2024. RCB holds a special place in Anushka Sharma's heart, and that's no secret. The Bollywood actress is married to Indian cricketer Virat Kohli, who leads the RCB men's team in the Indian Premier League. So, when RCB women created history, Anushka couldn't hide her joy. Taking to social media, she cheered for the women's team and reshared a frame-worthy picture from Vadodara's Kotambi Stadium. She wrote, "RCB women do it again. History repeated." Virat Kohli also took to social media to laud the champions. He wrote, "Champions again, keeping the RCB flag flying high and something that each one of you can be proud of." To Smriti and the whole squad and the management team, a big congratulations for this tremendous victory. You guys deserve this undoubtedly. Enjoy the moment and embrace the love of our amazing fans. This celebration comes amid reports that Anushka Sharma is planning to buy a 3% stake in the RCB franchise. The actress, who has stepped away from the spotlight to focus on her children, Vamika and Akai, is reportedly set to invest 400 crore rupees in RCB. An official confirmation is still awaited. On the career front, Anushka was expected to make a comeback with Chakra Express, the biopic of Indian cricketer Jhulan Goswami. However, the Netflix film has reportedly been shelved for unknown reasons. For now, the spotlight remains firmly on RCB women, who have once again etched their name in history. Fans were eagerly waiting for Aishwarya Rai Bachchan to post a birthday wish for Abhishek Bachchan, hoping it would put alleged separation rumors to rest. And finally, Aishwarya did just that, in the most heartfelt way. Turning 50 is a major milestone for anyone, but when it's Bollywood royalty, the moment becomes even more special. On Thursday, global icon Aishwarya Rai Bachchan took to Instagram to celebrate her husband as he officially stepped into his 5th decade. Instead of glamorous red carpet pictures, Aishwarya chose a deeply personal approach. She shared a cropped black and white photograph of a baby Abhishek. The frame focused only on his wide, innocent eyes looking straight into the camera, a timeless and emotional image that instantly touched hearts. Her caption was filled with warmth and affection. She wrote, Happy 50th birthday dearest baby papa." But Aishwarya didn't stop there. Her message reflected love, family, and the long journey the couple has shared since getting married in 2007. She added, "With lots of love, peace, happiness, contentment, and best health, God blesses, stay golden, shine on love." The words, "stay golden," stood out, a perfect message for an actor who has spent over 2 decades navigating the highs and lows of the Indian film industry with quiet strength. The celebration grew even more special with a message from Abhishek's father, Amitabh Bachchan. Earlier in the day, the legendary actor thanked fans for their love and blessings. He wrote, "To all that send greetings for Abhishek on his 50th birthday, may I express my extreme gratitude and love. Your blessings give him courage and strength to keep moving, affection and love." While Abhishek prepares for major projects, including Siddharth Anand's King alongside Shah Rukh Khan, this birthday was all about family, love, and quiet strength. From private vacations with daughter Aradhya to these meaningful public tributes, Bollywood's power couple continues to show that beyond the spotlight, their bond is built on love, peace, and contentment. Bollywood actor Prateek Babbar, son of the late Smita Patil and Raj Babbar, has always been open about his emotionally turbulent relationship with his father. After Smita Patil passed away due to childbirth complications, Prateek grew up with his maternal grandparents while his father reunited with his first wife. Despite attempts to mend their relationship over the years, Prateek chose not to invite Raj Babbar to his wedding with Priya Banerjee in 2025. At the time, his half-siblings commented on the decision, and Prateek addressed those remarks, but he has largely kept his distance from his father since then. In a recent chat, Prateek and Priya spoke about the trolling they faced for that choice. Priya said they were too busy to worry about trolls, while Prateek hinted at deeper truths behind the situation. People don't know the truth. Some people from the industry know the truth, some don't, and the general public. But one day, everyone will get to learn the truth. In a story, or a book, or an interview, or a film, he said. Priya reflected on how the experience strengthened their bond. I think life has thrown a lot of tests right before we got married, just to see if we would last, and we are like ninjas. I think every problem that has come our way, we have not reacted like, ab kya hoga? We looked at each other and we got each other. The couple also shared their thoughts on the institution of marriage. Priya stated, 90% of the Bollywood marriages are a facade, and I know that because I am on the inside. Prateek agreed, adding, it shows. He brought up Twinkle Khanna's comment on physical infidelity, saying, if married people are saying, raat gayi baat gayi, you know what the situation is. Priya elaborated, criticizing yesteryear actors for such opinions and contrasting it with her Canadian upbringing. The yesteryear actors, when they say stuff like that, I am judging you. As a Canadian, I am judging you because you are supposed to be Indian. This is in your culture, but when you see these people who are married for the image, don't get married. Do your career, have affairs, respectfully be honest with people. In my country, they do it like that. Our culture is way stronger than Bollywood and India. Here, people see marriage as a joke. Prateek concluded, emphasizing the importance of commitment. I think cheating, infidelity, multiple partners, it's out of fashion. It's not cool. Having a wife and a girlfriend is not cool. For Prateek and Priya, honesty, trust, and standing together have become the foundation of their relationship, proving that love and commitment still matter in the glitzy world of Bollywood. Shockwaves hit the music world last month when Arijit Singh, one of India's most popular playback singers, announced his retirement from playback music right at the peak of his career. Through an Instagram post on 27th January, Singh wrote, Hello, Happy New Year to all. I want to thank you all for giving me so much love all these years as listeners. I'm happy to announce that I am not going to take any new assignments as a playback vocalist from now on. I am calling it quits. It was a wonderful journey. Fans were stunned, and speculation ran wild about what could have prompted this decision. Musician Lucky Ali, known for chartbusters like O Sanam, Ek Pal Ka Jeena, and Na Tum Jano Na Hum, has expressed full support for Singh's choice. Ali said, "You've got to go stand in the musician's shoes to understand what he's really feeling. And if he's taken a step to that effect, something must have snapped within him." I totally agree with Arijit when he made the stand. And it's not a loss. He's definitely going to sing and he's going to express himself, but he's not going to do it with the circumstances that were there before. You've got to make your own road like how we've done. We made our own road. Ali, who has forged his own independent path in music, emphasized the freedom that comes with taking control of your creative journey. He said, "Now, we are not dependent on any film or music company or anything, we are the company. So, basically, it's a lot of freedom to be able to express yourself and explore your journey with other like-minded people." Reflecting on his own experiences, Ali shared insights for newcomers and the realities of the music industry. Nothing is offered to you on a plate. You have to present your case in the best way possible and be convinced about what you're doing. Once you do that and once you've crossed that hurdle, it's a bit easier. But it doesn't necessarily mean that the road is easy. It's easier to just go ahead and then do more work in that sense. He added, "Life doesn't necessarily mean it's easy. An easy life is not a good life. There should be drama in it, there should be struggle, there should be a lot of things, and those are elements that come into your work. In my case, that's probably what's come out in a lot of the work that I've done." Arijit Singh's decision marks the end of an era in playback singing but opens a new chapter for him to explore music on his own terms. As Lucky Ali puts it, sometimes you have to make your own road to truly express yourself.